it's Laura. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome to my channel. Today I finally received my first Margot Elena box. This subscription box I've been waiting for, I've been looking at for a long time. It is a luxury box. It's quite expensive, $60 seasonally. So they have 4 boxes a year. This is the spring 2021 box. She has arrived. I kept missing out and the boxes would be sold out. Finally, I got this one on order, I think in December, before it sold out. So we have the spring Margot Elena subscription box. Like I said, it's about $60 per season, per quarter, and one of the more expensive boxes, I will say, but I've heard fantastic things about what's in it. So she a little rough for wear. This beautiful light pink spring box got a little, yeah, dirty in the mail. Anyway, let us open her up and see what this is all about. I'm so excited to see this box. I love Margot Elena perfume and candles and some other things, hand creams. I've tried lip balms and a few other things. They have some nice sales and I usually pick up things on the sales because it's expensive. And it's, oh, it's not easy to open this baby. Yeah, she arrived, but she tough. She a tough girl. So pretty. Start fresh. Well, that's a nice theme for the first box for me. Start fresh. Very pretty packaging. And we have our little insert card with notes on what is in here, what is inside. Nourish New Beginnings box. There's the contents of this box. All right, we have a little sticker. The wait is over. Yes, I was waiting for this one for a long time. I was hemming and hawing, and should I get it, should I not get it? But I love all of her stuff. So it's very protectively wrapped up, and it's actually quite heavy. It smells so good already. From me to you. What do we got here? Holy moly. This thing is packed. Wow. I'm so excited. All right. So the first thing on top. Ooh, a cute little handkerchief. I do have some of her textiles and they're really nice. That's very pretty. So this is the limited edition spring bandana, listed at $28. It feels like very nice, fine cotton. Yes, 100% cotton. Very fine cotton. All right, let's get into this. Neptune, the Mermaid. Smells really good. Soap. Tokyo Milk, Pucker Up, Poseidon, Lip Balm. Oh, look at that precious little jar. Let's see what this. That's nice. It's got a very tropical sort of banana. And adorable little box. Lip balm. Dead Sexy Lip Tint. More Tokyo Milk. Small soaps. So that makes three soaps. Very nice. Beautiful. Ooh, this very wrapped up. Ooh, okay. Well, this one exploded a little bit. She is some kind of powder that is all over the place. Cottage Greenhouse Kaolin Clay Mask. Like I said, that one kind of got everywhere. With a little, nice little spoon with that one. I can see why they try to pack it up because that thing, but nothing else was impacted. Ooh, cute. So some cards. Nice birthday and thank you. Couple birthday and a couple multi-use cards. 4 cards in all. Holy moly, there's a lot in this box. There's a lot here. Lola. Relax. Fine bathing salts. Oh, all the fragrances are so nice. Lavender and honey. I love lavender. There's a lot in here. Holy moly. This looks like a full size. Whee! And it's also in a nice bag. Honey in the Moon shower gel. I have not tried their shower gels, so this will be a new experience. Number 10. Honey in the Moon. Full-size shower gel. Let them eat cake. What have we got? Bonbon Shea Butter Lotion. Very pretty. Yeah, really pretty. Let them eat cake. Shea Butter Lotion in this lovely box. Still more, still more. Ooh, wrapped and packaged. This Moment Water Lily Sun Blossom Perfumed Luminary. Love, 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 love their candles. That's not normally a scent that I would choose. It's a little sweet, but yay, so nice. Their candles especially are so fragrant. You just have to burn it for 5 minutes and everything smells wonderful. And I think I know what the next item is, because they did have a little tease on their website with a few of the items. And this one I was very excited to see. How many times can you say I'm excited? Nice. Library of Flowers, Special Edition, Willow and Water Eau de Perfume. Small batch perfumery. Beautiful. Yay! So that is it all, and that was jam-packed. Wow. Let's see if we've got everything and go over the prices. First, limited edition bandana, $28. Library of Flowers Willow and Water Perfume, $42. And we have our Kaolin face mask, $24. It's a little spewed, but at least it didn't damage anything else, so I'm not mad about that. And we have our This Moment tin candle, $12 value. Relax bath salts, and that is listed at $15 in a gift box. Very nice. Dead Sexy Lip Tint, $12. Let Them Eat Cake Handcreme, listed at $22. New Perfumed Honey and the Moon Shower Gel, very nice. Signature set of 4 cards, and that is listed at $22. Well, that's a little hopeful for cards, but Pucker Up Poseidon, Perfume lip balm, and the Lost Atlantis mini soap collection of 3 soaps listed at $10. The retail value is listed at $213 for this box. And with this 3 items, if you count them individually, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 items, or 10, depending how you want to count. That is the contents. I'm really happy with this. Yeah. I'm looking forward to seeing more of these. And I'm sure I won't keep all of them for myself. I'm going to try some of the new items. But I will definitely be also regifting some of these. But for now, I'm going to enjoy them. So that is my first Margot Elena box. I really enjoyed it. I hope you did too. Like and subscribe. Take care of yourself and take care of others.